Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed the homologous series. Today, our topic is cycloalkanes. My dear student, this is simple like alkanes, but their ring structures give them unique properties. So, let's begin. Introduction to cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are arranged in the form of a closed ring. Although they contain only single covalent bonds, their structure is different from straight-chain alkanes. Definition: cycloalkanes are saturated hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are joined together in a cyclic mean ring structure, and all carbon bonds are single bonds. They are also known as alicyclic hydrocarbons. General formula: the general formula of cycloalkanes is CnH2n, where n is equals or greater than 3. This formula is the same as alkanes, but cycloalkanes are not unsaturated. Why hydrogen atoms are fewer? In cycloalkanes, the carbon chain is closed into a ring. Because of this, 2 hydrogen atoms are lost compared to alkanes. Examples: alkanes propane C3H8, cycloalkanes cyclopropane C3H6. Examples of cycloalkanes: name, molecular formula, structure. Cyclopropane molecular formula C3H6, structure triangles. Cyclobutane C4H8 square. Cyclopentane C5H10 pentagon. Cyclohexane C6H12 hexane. Structure of cycloalkanes: each carbon atom in a cycloalkane is sp3 hybridized, attached to 2 other carbon atoms, form 2 carbon-carbon single bonds, form 2 CH bonds. The ring structure causes angle strain, especially in small rings. Stability of cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes molecular formula stability: cyclopropane C3H6 least stable, cyclobutane C4H8 less stable, cyclopentane C5H10 more stable, cyclohexane C6H12 most stable. Cyclohexane is most stable because it has minimum ring strain. Physical properties of cycloalkanes. First one, colorless substances. Second one, insoluble in water. Third one, soluble in organic solvents. Fourth one, boiling point increases with molecular mass. Chemical properties of cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes show reactions similar to alkanes. Combustion substitution reaction. Example: combustion C6H12 plus 9O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Uses of cycloalkanes: cyclopropane used as an aesthetic earlier. Cyclohexene used in making nylon, used as solvents in industries, used as fuels. Difference between alkanes and cycloalkanes. Property: alkanes, cycloalkanes. Structure: alkane have straight chain while cycloalkane has ring structure. General formula: alkane have CnH2n plus 2 while cycloalkane has CnH2n. Saturation: alkane is saturated, cycloalkane is also saturated. Shape: alkane have straight or branched while cycloalkane has cyclic shape. So my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on cycloalkanes. I hope you understand. So if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.